Okay, if you don't mind, walk us through.
We're basically installing a safety hasp.
Safety hash.
Put a lock on.
Got it.
So that way you can unlock it and keep it locked. This is the receiver part. And we're going to rivet it on. Using an aircraft rivet gun that I stole from the Navy. This rivet gun is qualified to put rivets in F-14 Tomcats.
And it's definitely overqualified for this vehicle. This little Chevy Venture.
Tool for this.
Yeah, man.
Just put one more right there. Only a qualified aircraft mechanic can do such.
Can do this, yeah.
Okay. The other part.
So most of the people on YouTube watching aren't qualified for this. Yeah.
Piece right there.
Okay, this piece right there is
This piece right here is the other end.
Yeah.
And what we will do, we will mount it right about there. I'm just gonna mark it because I gotta be able to open it up to. Yeah.
Are you sure this bad boy's not going to go flying open?
I guarantee
70 miles an hour with my worldly belongings inside?
This is guaranteed for up to 2 or 3 Mach speeds.
Here we go.
So you should be okay.
Yeah, Mach speeds. You're not even going to break 70 on this fucker. So we should be alright.
Make sure it fits. Okay, so we're going to have to move it a little bit, which is no problem.
Yeah.
Just move that rivet out of the way. And put a hole right there. Using the same technique. We may have to get another rivet. Which is no problem. Make sure it fits. Ta-da! Okay.
I can't say that I see this often. Like when I look at minivans and shit, like I guess they either buy the hatch or whatever, but I never see this.
This repair is good enough for Mr. Bean.
MacGyver
Good enough for us.
MacGyver like improvisation. I wonder, is this gonna help their resale value or hurt
Not
it?
really, it's gonna
Yeah,
hurt.
it's gonna hurt it. I would imagine.
So that new tire you
Yeah.
just put on, you can kiss that goodbye.
Yeah, man. Look at that, man.
Now for the piece de resistance. I thought I had. I know I got one up at the house. So, let me see if I can find something temporary. This is temporary until I get. I know the padlock's in my bedroom.
Okay.
I'll give you one of those.
All right. Yeah.
This is temporary.
I'm not really worried about it. I can get one at Walmart.
There we go. At least it won't fly off going down the road.
Yeah.
But
But somebody can break in.
I got a padlock that's up at the house.
Okay.
I'll give it to you once we get up there. But at least this will keep you from.
That'll keep it from flying out on the highway, but
And once I put
it's not going to keep a motherfucker out who wants to steal my shit.
Yeah, but once I
Right.
put the padlock on there, it'll
You'll be
tighten
fine.
up. So it'll hold the door.
Okay.
Okay. And that's pretty much it.
Cool.
It's not pretty, but it's better than a door flying open and a cat falling out.
No, don't want that. But like the worst case, if somebody really wanted to, like they could take a hammer or a hatchet to that motherfucker, right? That's why I got to learn to not like park this thing for too long. Or
I'm more worried about a cat falling out when the door slides open.
that cat's not going anywhere. Don't worry. He usually rides with me on top.